Parents of the young wife of the Gurgaon Chief Judicial Magistrate accused their son-in-law and his parents of murdering their daughter and fear that he will use his influence to derail the investigation. Gitanjali's parents do not trust the Haryana police and want the case handed over to the Central Bureau of Investigation.
It's been 6 days since Gitanjali was murdered. The victim's husband, a highly placed government officer, and his parents have been charged with the crime but not arrested. The victim's parents warn that the influential accused are able to overawe the special investigation team of the Gurgaon police and prevent the truth from coming out.
कल ये था कि ये जो हीना, उसकी मदर, उसका भाई, गनमैन, ड्राइवर और पीएन और बाकी जो स्टाफ कनेक्टेड है भी वो अरेस्ट हो चुके हैं, जो मैं जिस इंप्रेशन में था। और अभी मुझे पता लग गया आज ही कि उनकी इंटेरोगेशन वो एक एक करके कर रहे हैं, उनको छोड़ रहे हैं। अब मेरा प्रेस सवाल है, क्या ये इंटेरोगेशन ठीक है?
Police claim to have found 2 bullets at the place where the body of the victim was dumped. The bullets are said to have passed through the body of the victim and entered the ground. Gitanjali's father has questioned this statement. He believes that his daughter was murdered in her Gurgaon home. He doubts that the bullets were fired at the place where the body was found, but rather were planted there to confuse the case.
मर्डर तो घर पे हुआ और सारा सामान उनके कब्जे में था। 5 दिन तक वो क्यों सोए रही? 5 दिन पहले क्या उनको अंडर सेक्शन 174 सीआरपीसी के तहत मेरी वाइफ की, भाई, मेरे लड़के की, मेरी लड़कियों की स्टेटमेंट नहीं लेनी चाहिए थी? कैसे उन्होंने वो लाश को वहाँ से उठा के वो उसमें बुच्चर खाने में फेंक दिया गया? मेटल डिटेक्टर को 8 बजे तक रात के सारा खोदने के बाद कुछ भी नहीं मिला। ये तो पुलिस मानती है कि वहाँ ब्लड नहीं था।
तो आपको यहाँ भी शंका है कि गोलियाँ वहाँ पे
फेंकी गई है कल, वो तो कल फेंकी गई है, कल प्लांट की गई है, गोलियां तो उसके पास है।
Gitanjali's father is adamant on calling in the CBI and says the Haryana police cannot conduct an unbiased investigation. He points to the fact that his son-in-law and Gitanjali's in-laws are still roaming free and his daughter's marital home was not sealed until 5 days after the murder, allowing anyone ample opportunity to remove incriminating evidence. Meanwhile, this afternoon, Gitanjali's relatives met Bhupinder Singh Hooda at the CM's residence. They apprised the Haryana CM of their fears regarding a cover-up and requested his help in getting the case turned over to the CBI. According to the family, the CM, who also holds the portfolio of Home Department, agreed to request the CBI to take over the case. For Kulveer Diwan with cameraman Rakesh Thakur, this is Jasleen Kaur, Day and Night News, Panchkula.
Gitanjali's older daughter Poonam is 4 years old and Guddu is 2. They are too young to understand what has happened or to even know that a storm is raging over their custody. At present, they are with their paternal grandparents, but their Dada-Dadi along with their father are accused of the crime and may be arrested at any time. What is going to happen to them? Let's take a look at this special story.
Guddu and Poonam, the young daughters of murdered Gitanjali Garg, remain with their paternal grandparents, the same couple who are accused of murdering their mother. Gitanjali's parents say that they have never been allowed to meet these granddaughters, who are now 2 and 4 years old respectively. The murdered girls' parents say that losing their daughter has left them devastated, and on top of that, they were being denied access to the children. They say that they not only want justice, they want to be treated with the humanity that any grieving parent deserves.
मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, मेरी जो दोतियां हैं जो उन्होंने किडनैप करके रखी हुई हैं, हमें इजाज़त दे, गवर्नमेंट दे, या चीफ सेक्रेटरी जो अपना चीफ जस्टिस जो हरियाणा कोर्ट के हैं वो दें। हम उनको सुबह 6 बजे 7 बजे ले आएंगे। अगर उनको ज़रूरत है हम शाम को छोड़ेंगे। हम डेली ये काम करेंगे। हमें उन बच्चों को दिलाया जाए। ये सबसे बड़ा एक बच्चों के ऊपर परोपकार होगा। बच्चियाँ चिल्ला कर रो रही है, आपका इतना प्रेशर नहीं है।
आप हमारी तड़प को सोच भी नहीं सकते कि हम किस तरीके से उसके बच्चों के लिए तड़प रहे हैं। क्या हमारा इतना भी हक नहीं है? जो जिन बच्चियों में हमें वो गीतांजलि दिखती है, गीतांजलि तो हमारे पास वापस नहीं आएगी, हमें इस बात का बुरा है, पर उन बच्चियों में वो जो गीतांजलि हमें दिखती है, कम से कम हमें इतनी मदद तो करो कि उन बच्चों, वो बच्ची किस हाल में है, हमें ये दिखा तो दो।
As for the two little girls, they will never again have the love of their mother. If their father and paternal grandparents are convicted and sent to jail, they will lose the love and support of their father, Dada and Dadi. Will some more distant paternal relative take them in? It's a future no child should have to face. For Kulveer Diwan with cameraman Rakesh Thakur, this is Justine Kaur, Day and Night News, Panchkula.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।